What is your name? My name is Sushi. Are you Sushi? Yes, I am. Where are you from? I am from USA. Are you American? Yes, I am. Are you from Bangladesh? No, I am not. Where do you live? I live in California. How old are you? I am 26 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is 1st January. What do you do? I am a student. Are you a student? Yes, I am. What company do you work for? I work for an investment bank. What religion are you? I am a Muslim. What is your marital status? I am married. Are you married? Yes, I am. Are you still single? No, I have a boyfriend. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I have. How many children do you have? I have only one son. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What time do you get up? I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. When do you do morning exercise? I often do morning exercises at 6 a.m. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m. What is your hobby? I like playing badminton, cricket, and spending time with my family. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is hotpots with beef. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is lemon juice. What kind of film do you like? I'm really interested in horror and action film. Did you like the movie? Yes, I am. Where do you study? Actually, I study at home. Watching YouTube video, I learn a lot of things. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7:15. Why do you study in English? Because I want to improve my English communication skill. What do you want to do after you graduate? I would like to be a software engineer. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. How long have you learning English? I have been learning English since I was 6. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? Where are you going? I'm going to the store. I need to buy something. What are you doing now? I am washing the dishes. Can you give me a hand? Yes, of course. Could you do me a favor? Of course, I'd be happy to help you. Could you please give me that book? Sure. How can I help you, sir? Oh yes, I'm looking for a sweater. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notification of the next video. My next video will come day after tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.